Hi, my name is Sean from My Amazon Guy, and today we will be talking about Store Spotlight. So, Store Spotlight is referring to sponsor brands when you make a campaign. So, here I'm going to show you how Store Spotlight works. So, we're going to create a sponsor brand, and then here you just enter your campaign name. So, just call it iPhone 11 cases, since that's what I'll be doing. And then here you select Store Spotlight. As you can see, it will be only mobile only, so that means it will be shown only when customers are on their phone. And as you can see in the description, it drives traffic to a store page, including its sub pages. And I will show you what that refers to in a moment. So then you want to add your brand name and logo. So here's the logo, here's the brand name, which is Casely. You enter your headline, which will pop up here. So for now, we'll just write iPhone 11 cases. And as you can see, it'll show up right here. And then here are the three sub pages. So you have phone rings, wallets, and iPhone 11 next cases. And you can switch the order of them as well. So once we're done with that, you're going to want to add some keywords, or you can also do product targeting as well. And here they have some suggested that you can use for the three products I'm showing. So here, let me show you an example one that I've already created. So I call this campaign Store Spotlight. And as you can see, here's the logo, here's the headline, which is cases for your new iPhone 11. And here, as you can see, there are three store pages. So if you click on this, these would be links to the store pages. And these are only available for US advertisers at the moment. And as you can see here, here's mobile ad, and this is what it would look like on a desktop ad. So over here is Casely, and basically, so this is actually product collection since we don't have one being advertised right now, but basically it'd be the same thing, except instead of products, they would be store pages, as you saw previously. So if we go into the Casely page, here there's a lot of products, but if we go further, so this is like the Casely page, and so the store pages that I'm referring to are, in this case for the iPhone 11, they are going to be these three store pages because I advertise for the iPhone 11 cases, Pro cases, and Pro Max cases in hopes of advertising for the iPhone 11 cases by Casely. And I thought advertising for those three would be recommended just because iPhone 11 is the newest phone, and there's three different types of cases for the iPhone 11. So this is what one page will look like, and it will link the customer when they click on the advertisement and on this iPhone 11 cases link. It will bring them to this page where they can shop iPhone 11 cases. So that's about it for the Store Spotlight. I guess if you have any other questions, I recommend you go to My Amazon Guy and book a coaching call with our founder, Stephen Pope. Have a good day.